Question number 151. Read the following statements. Very first statement is statement A. Ventricular diastole leads to reduction in ventricular pressure that causes closure of semilunar valves and preventing the backflow of blood into ventricles. And this is a correct statement. Statement B is ventricular systole increases the ventricular pressure, causing the closure of bicuspid and tricuspid valves due to attempted backflow of blood into atria, and this is also a correct statement. And as both the statements are correct, the correct answer to this question is option number 4. So the correct answer is option number 4. Let's discuss the next question. Question number 152. Maximum number of action potentials are generated by. Options are SAN, AVN, bundle of Hess-Purkinje fibers. And the correct answer is option number 1, SAN. SAN generates 70 to 75 action potentials per minute and is responsible for initiating and maintaining the rhythmic contractile activity of heart. So the correct answer to this question is option number 1. Let's discuss the next question. Question number 153. Match column 1 and column 2. In the very first column given is pivot joint, and as pivot joint is present between atlas and axis, so A matches with second option in column 2. Hinge joint is present in elbow and knee, so B matches with either 1 or 4. C is ball and socket joint, and it is present between humerus and pectoral girdle, so C matches with third option in column 2. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2. A matches with 2, B with 1 and C with 3. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's discuss the next question. Question number 154. Choose the odd one with respect to muscular disorders. Options are myasthenia gravis, muscular dystrophy, osteoporosis and tetany. And the correct answer to this question is option number 3, osteoporosis. Osteoporosis is associated with skeleton disorders and not with muscular disorders. On the other hand, myasthenia gravis, muscular dystrophy and tetany are muscular disorders. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's discuss the next question. Question number 155. Choose the incorrect statement with respect to human axial skeleton. The very first option is each rib is bicephalic, and this is a correct statement, so cannot be a correct answer. Option number 2, vertebrochondral ribs are 7th, 8th and 9th pairs, and this is an incorrect statement and is a correct answer to our question because vertebrochondral ribs are 8th, 9th and 10th pairs. 7th pair is true rib, vertebrosternal rib. Third option is all ribs are attached dorsally to thoracic vertebrae is a correct statement and cannot be a correct answer to our question. Option number 4, floating ribs are not attached ventrally to sternum is also a correct statement, so cannot be a correct answer. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2.